The Acura RDX and Infiniti QX50 are two well-known competitors in the premium midsize SUV space. Today, we will compare how well they protect their occupants in the updated side impact crash test, done by the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety. This test involves a barrier that weighs 4,200 pounds striking the side of the vehicle at 37 miles per hour. First up, let's examine how each vehicle's structure held together in the test. The Acura has 19 centimeters of space between the seat center line and where the B-pillar intrusion stopped. This number is impressive considering how challenging the test is. Disappointingly, the Infiniti only has 12.5 centimeters of space. The crash test dummies in the test measure a variety of forces so that injury levels can be predicted. In this regard, the Acura did a better job of protecting its occupants. The Infiniti struggled to protect the driver's pelvis, with recorded injury forces nearly 70% higher than in the Acura. With a stronger structure and better occupant protection, the Acura RDX is clearly the safer option in this test. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to see more interesting videos that explore the world of auto safety.